Welcome to Chana Tutorials. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. This is a continuation of the video I uploaded last week. This is in preparation for the IELTS exam. Before I start, allow me to invite each one of you to subscribe to this channel. Click the notification bell so you get updated whenever I upload new videos. IELTS or IELTS is a standardized international English language testing system that is acceptable to about 10,000 organizations around the world, and it's a proven test. This is conducted by the British Council and IDP, where used tests are compiled by the Cambridge English Language Assessment, who is a part owner of the IELTS. IELTS validity is only good for 2 years, so you have to make sure that you should know when you are going to make use of your test results. An applicant is tested in the 4 skills of the English language: reading, listening, writing, and speaking. And you have a choice between taking the general IELTS or the academic IELTS, depending on the country that you would want to go to and for what purpose you are going to take the exam. At this point, let us have a run-through of how we are going to prepare for the IELTS exam. 1. Identify your goals. Why do you need to take the IELTS exam? 2. Know about the exam. What are its format, type, timing, scoring, and content? 3. Find your level. Check your existing knowledge of the English language. Try to have timed or untimed practice tests. 4. Know your weak points. I know it's something that is not acceptable because there are instances where we need to identify where we are not good at, and these are the skills that we need to improve on. 5. Create a study plan. You try to keep a very good mindset so that you would turn out to be ready for the exam. Be patient and be persistent. 6. Spend 4 hours a day where you allot 1 hour for every skill of the IELTS exam. 7. Consider a preparation course. Hire a coach who can help you with your review. 8. Listen for comments and suggestions from people who made it with the IELTS exam. 9. Take time to do your review. Focus and don't be in a hurry. In IELTS, ladies and gentlemen, time is your enemy. Guessing is not a guesswork in IELTS. Practice harder, not smarter. In IELTS, prepare, prepare, prepare. Don't procrastinate. Know where to start your IELTS review or preparation so you achieve your desired goal or the certain band scored as required by the company or by the country you would wish to go to. Before I end, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel click the notification bell so you get yourself posted whenever I upload new videos. Thank you everyone for watching and see you again soon. Bye!